मेरा सर है।
काफी सर काफी सर
प्लीज
एक बार आप अंदर चलिए प्लीज थोड़ा
आइए आप।
This side, this side.
सर सेंटर।
Center.
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
चलो।
Okay, got a chance.
Yeah.
Lovely, 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 lovely. All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, he's left. Sit down. Thank you.
आशीष भाई भी है, माइक भी है।
आप लोग का तो
हम दोनों साथ ही कर रहे हैं।
हार्ड ड्राइव होता हो कितने का हार्ड ड्राइव होता है? 10-15 टेट्राबाइट।
Absolutely. Without her, we would be nothing.
This camera.
Okay. So let's do that one more time.
Right, yeah.
So from here.
She's the DOP. Right. Right, yeah. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I saw the trailer and it's looking fantastic. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. And I wish her all the best. One thing also I don't understand it as well. But having said that, the relationship between Varuna and Nirunai is fantastic. And relationships always excite me. And I think the kind of suspense there in it, it's a heart. I'm really looking forward to it.
So she excites me with the feeling. And I also enjoy she makes it different. I'm very excited about enslaved
No.
और अब तक जो मैंने देखा है वो बहुत एक्साइटेड है मनुष्य सर को बहुत ही एक ये सारा के काम कर रहा है well I'm sure she has a great हाँ ट्रेलर तो देखा है जिसे कहते हैं एडवर्टाइजर्स चेक मेन कोर्स क्या होगा पता लगेगा अंदर जाके।
Yes, नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है पलाश दत्ता। थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी टू ग्राम मैं एक्चुअली हाल फिलहाल ही कैंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड करके आ रहा हूँ बस 2 दिन पहले आया हूँ और अभी जेट लैग हूँ। बट जब पारो ने इनवाइट किया और मुझे कहा कि ये बंगाली फिल्म है और चूँकि मैं बंगाली हूँ तो मुझे तो दौड़ के भाग के अंधेरे से यहाँ आना ही था। इतनी धूप में, इतनी गर्मी में, पसीने से लथपथ हूँ मैं। बट बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि बंगाली फिल्म है और कोंकणा की फिल्म है। और मैंने प्रोमो देखा है जब मैं कैंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में था, तो मुझे काफ़ी हद तक हार्ड हिटिंग लगा है फिल्म, क्योंकि उनके साथ जो एक्टर है, जो सीनियर एक्टर है, उनका नाम है सॉरी भूल चुका हूँ मैं, बट वो मेरे बहुत ही फेवरेट एक्टर है क्योंकि उनको मैंने लुटेरा फिल्म में देखा है, ऑफकोर्स बंगाली फिल्मों में भी देखा है। तो मैं फिलहाल तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ अंदर जाकर फिल्म देखने के लिए। मैं अभी जस्ट कोंकणा से मिल के आया हूँ। So I wish her all the very best, and I believe Amitabh Bachchan sir has supported our film. So I think इससे बड़ी बात, इससे बड़ी जीत और कुछ हो नहीं सकती है. Already she is a winner, and I hope the film also receives all the appreciation and applaud all across the globe. Thank you so much.
Is here center?
Thank you. This is like the cinematographer, पहली बार कैमरा के सामने. Bye.
खुशी को रेडी खुशी को
अच्छा लग रहा है. It's great that Bombay can also see a Bengali film representation, which is, it's quite, it feels really proud that we can have a screening thanks to Konkana, that she got the film to Bombay, because it's not an easy task. It's very difficult to do in such a gathering at this level. So I'm grateful. Best part of the experience, the journey was a very fun-filled experience because we had like great moments. We all shared as a crew, as a cast. Everybody had like a, how do you say it, a really good spirit that we worked on. Although it was night shoots, it was difficult, it was cold. The atmosphere was a little different than what we're used to because it was in Assam. But everybody's energy levels were always, up and always like positive. So it was a great experience.
What would you like to say about
So this is our third collaboration that we have worked together, and I think each one has been like a one layer coming out of another layer, and we've kind of grown together, also coming from the same school, the same film school we studied in. So it's like starting steps have been great, really, moving on. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जो आपने पहले सवाल किया था ना कि इतने सारे एड्स आप कैसे करते हो, तो दिस इज़ वन एग्जाम्पल जो कि भाग रही है अभी कि इसके वजह से, क्योंकि जब मैं कैमरा के सामने रहती हूँ तो मुझे डायरेक्ट कौन करता है, ये डायरेक्ट नहीं करती, पर हम लोग का जो प्री प्रोडक्शन का प्रेपरेशन होता है हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि एकदम थॉरली करें ताकि इसको भी कहानी उतनी पता रहे जितनी मेन को पता है. सारी टीम मेंबर्स को कहानी उतनी पता रहता है. सो आई फील लाइक that is very important. If you're doing multiple jobs at the same time, then you need to have that team. You need to trust that team, and that's my team. So I'm grateful to you, and find your team. Thank you. Thank you.
The battery of camera.
So here center. So here center. Ready?
आप पूछना चाहेंगे? I think we are very, very fortunate that at long last there have been quite few inquiries from Calcutta while we were there that they want to see this film here. So somehow we have managed very short notice. And it is great to be here because I think ये जो फिल्म जो है वो देखने का चीज़ है मेरे ख्याल से. शॉर्ट फिल्म है बट द एक्सपीरियंस इज यूनिक. मैं बहुत सारा दिन बहुत मन हो गया. I have not come across such a script. I have not done this kind of a film before. Let's be. scaling and this and that. I've never done this before. But it's just a relationship between two persons, total strangers. And through a car drive at one night, just one night, a whole lot of things change. The equations change between the characters and that kind of thing. And it's a very, very enigmatic end. And if this is well received here, there's every chance that we will have a sequel to this reworking. It's entirely possible. But depending on what kind of reactions we get, what kind of support we get here. Because we have to come here because this is the mecca of film world in India. यहाँ के acceptance मिल गया तो बहुत
मैंने सपोर्ट में इसकी बात करें तो अमिताभ सर ने भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया है, अप्रिशिएट किया है मूवी का।
जी मैंने तो इसे सुना अमिताभ जी ने I think he saw it the day before, the night before. He is very unwell. So, but even so, it could have been difficult for him to come here because there would have been an unmanageable crowd there. But he's loved it. He's loved it. He said marvelous words about it. And the director, he sent her a huge bouquet of flowers yesterday. It's a fantastic thing to have. It has got very, very good, I would say, word of mouth from others as well. Atul Kulkarni and so on. I think he's coming today. You know Atul Kulkarni? I think. Is Atul coming today?
Atul?
Huh?
No, sir, he's in London right now, so he sent the bite.
In London.
के हिसाब से मूवी का
बेस्ट पार्ट eyes. You see it and you will realize, आप देखेंगे ना तो पता चलेगा ये जो दो आंखें हैं वही है। और इतने सारे हैं, कुछ पूछने के जी How much?
एक हफ्ता तक लगातार I used to have Uber rides late at night and मुझे कभी कभार लगता था कि how would it be कि अगर दो strangers ये ride अगर continue होगा मेरे destination के बाद भी तो how would it be अगर दो strangers एक पूरे रात भर के लिए एक राइड पे जा सकें how would they change each other's lives? So that was the basic seed idea. And what was the other question? Okay, so you got to read out it. This is live, so we get to read out it. Idea कहाँ से है? And
आपका स्पेशल पार्ट
special part as a director, actor, writer, producer. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया जब मैं बोल रही हूँ ऐसे out loud. But it's a great process, and I think like you need to have a very solid team. Because आप team को trust करते हो and then you can act and direct. My cinematographer is inside and she's brilliant. My other crew members are here. Without them, ये film कभी नहीं बन पाती. So I'm grateful to them. And इतने सारे hats आप तभी पहन पाते हो when you have such a team.
मैं आपने जैसे कहा कोलकाता में होस्पिटल में जैसे लेकिन मुंबई पहली बार से कभी इवेंट मुंबई में जाते हैं अमिताभ बच्चन सर ने बॉलीवुड फैमिली भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट करी अप्रिशिएट करी इस बार
I'm having goosebumps right now. Amitabh Bachchan sir releasing a trailer of our short film because like independent filmmakers like we really push for it, and it's not easy. It's not easy to make a film, and then it's not easy to promote a film. आज के generation में, but it is also easy because of Instagram. There are so many people जो बस promotions देख के आए. So it's a blessing, and I am really nervous, but I'm blessed and indebted to Amitabh Bachchan sir for not only releasing the trailer but we also watched the film yesterday, and he was in love with it. So it's a big thing for our entire team, and it's an inspiration for every other independent filmmakers. Yes, it's hard and it takes time, क्योंकि हमें 5 साल rerouting बनाना है. So we will reroute it constantly. This is the 5th year, but we still made it, and hopefully Mumbai will show love and support as much as we have received so far in Kolkata and other parts of India, we hope. But it is an example कि please जाइए, लिखिए अपनी कहानी, team gather कीजिए. Forget the hurdles, it's always going to be there. And I know you're human, expectations रहेगी, you'll feel hurt, but just tell your story. I think it will find its audience. We are right now in the film festival run. अभी हमारा जो recent आज ही हमें email मिला, we got selected in the competition section of the 15th Pune International Short Film Festival. So that is one. The others will continue. Thank you so much. Thank you. बहुत ज़्यादा ही अंदर से लग रहा है अगर कोई सुन पाता, it would have really crossed your microphone का decibel limit. I'm really scared. पहली बार मुंबई में हूँ, कोलकाता में हो चुका है 4 बार, and we have another one on the 28th. So I am really scared, but I am grateful that Mumbai has given us this space, and people are showing us love, and they have opened the doors. So I hope rerouting finds its way and doesn't get rerouted about.
क्या कुछ स्पेशल है इस शॉर्ट मूवी में, क्योंकि जब शॉर्ट मूवी आती है तो अलग मैसेज देती है.
रीराउटिंग इसका नाम है क्योंकि रीराउटिंग आपको कब सुनाई देता है, जब GPS अब लगाते हो, गलत रास्ते पे आप जाते हो, तो यू हियर रीराउटिंग विच इज़ GPS's वे ऑफ सेइंग कि गलत रास्ता है, पर तुरंत उस वक्त हम लोग कभी कभार सही रास्ता नहीं पकड़ पाते. तो इवन इन लाइफ बहुत सारे ऐसे रेड फ्लैग्स आते हैं इन द टर्म ऑफ रीराउटिंग, पर कभी कभार जीवन की भागा भागी में भी मिस दोज रेड फ्लैग्स, एंड हम लोग देखते नहीं, अनदेखा कर देते हैं, एंड बाद में सोचते कह रहे क्यों नहीं देखा, क्यों नहीं रुका, शुड हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट. सो द मैसेज इज इट्स ओपन टू योर इंटरप्रिटेशन, बट मे बी फॉर द यंगर जनरेशन इट्स टाइम टू स्टॉप blindly following the GPS. And for the older generation, maybe it's time to reboot a little and learn how to follow the GPS.
ये भी आपके लिए काफ़ी स्पेशल है, सिर्फ लीड रोल के अलावा काफ़ी अहम पार्ट है आपके इस